Hey everyone, we are back with another new video, and in this video, we will discuss how you can easily create a free WordPress website with free hosting and free domain, and we will also discuss how you can get the free SSL certificate for your website. So let's start with this video. So firstly, you need to go to this website that is InfinityFree, and that provides free website hosting services. And here, you need to register. So let's firstly register. So let's quickly sign up for InfinityFree. So let's click on sign up. So now, once you have filled the sign up form, so you need to verify this email address. So let's verify the email. So as you can see that once the email has been verified. So we are on this account section. So now let's click on create account. So let's select this InfinityFree plan. So let's click on create now. So from here you can type your custom domain, and as we are going to create a free website. So let's click on subdomain, and here you can type the subdomain name. So I have selected this domain, and here let me select the domain extension. So let's click on this and let's click on check availability. So as you can see that this domain was available, and the two steps that have been completed, that was hosting plan and domain name. Now let's proceed to third step, that is additional information. So here we are on this additional information. So here you need to fill all the details, and then you can click on create account. So let's click on create account. So once you have filled all the details, so let's click on create account. So once you have filled all the details, so let's click on create account. So as you can see that the account has been created with this user. So let's click on finish. So let's click on control panel. So here you need to click on I approve. So the control panel has been loaded successfully, and here let us click on Soft Aculous Apps Installer. So let us click on this, and here let us install WordPress, and here let's select HTTPS protocol option. So here let us give the site name, and here you can provide the description for your site. So here let us select any admin username and admin password. So now let us click on select now, once you have filled all the details like admin account site settings, and now let us click on install. So it might take a few minutes or some time to install this. So let's wait for some time. So as you can see that the WordPress has been installed successfully. So now let us again go back to the InfinityFree dashboard. So here you can see that this is the free SSL certificate tab. So let's click on this. So let us click on new SSL certificate button. So let us click on a domain name, and once you have filled the domain name, so let's click on create order. So as you can see that the disclaimer has come, your SSL order has been created, and please see below for the next step. So now we need to set up CNAME records. So let's click on this. So as you can see that the setup name records have been set up. So let's wait for some time. So once it shows ready, so let's click on request certificate. So as you can see that the option of install SSL certificate automatically is coming here. So let's click on this. So as you can see that the SSL certificate has been installed. So it might take up to 15 minutes for it to become active. So you need to refresh this, and once it shows SSL certificate is active. So let's wait for some time and refresh this. As you can see that now the SSL certificate is active. So now let's click on our site. Now let's spruce up our website's appearance. Log in to WordPress as an administrator and navigate to Appearance, then Themes. Install and activate the Astra theme, or explore other options to find the perfect fit. If available, check out the starter templates or head to Astra's dashboard for additional customization features. Choose a design from the classic starter templates and personalize it with your logo, preferred color scheme, and fonts. Once you're satisfied, submit your choices and watch your website come to life. There you have it. Your website is now live and looking fantastic. Take some time to explore its features and make any additional customizations as needed. Soon we will be coming up with the next video in which we will discuss how to add or edit products, shipping, and payment options. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to keep getting the latest updates and interesting videos. Thanks for watching.